Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers Adda 24/7. How are you all? So, as you know, we are running 50 days, 50 classes. That is very important for you to prepare for the JAIIB October paper. But apart from that, these are not the only session that will be helping you out for your preparation. These session will be running from Monday to Friday, but on Saturday and Sunday you will have a special session. And for all these things, to attend all these sessions where you have to go, I will let you know in the end of the session. So let's start the session without wasting more time. First of all, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the channel. Those who are new here, do make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. And also this 50 days 50 classes we are running from Monday to Friday in the morning 7:30 a.m. for Indian economy, Indian financial system, and at 7 a.m. for PPB, principles and practices of banking. And I'm your mentor Amanjot Kaur for both the subjects PPB and IFS. So let's start the session. As you know, every day we are discussing one particular topic regarding your paper, and we are discussing that topic in the form of MCQ plus explanation of that particular question. So let's start the discussion. So as you know, there are 45 units in your Indian economy, Indian financial system subject. Out of these 45 units, 19 units are there in the module A and B that we have completed. Now next we have module C, and in module C 21, 22, 20, 21, 22 we have already discussed. Now today we are going to discuss 23rd unit, that is the development financial institution. Now what is actually development financial institution? What is DFI? What is development financial institution? Let's understand a particular basic of this particular term or particular institution. Then we will be moving forward to the MCQ. Okay. So if I talk about development financial institution, they are the types of institution which actually help in economy to fulfill the objective of financial system. Now, what is the objective of financial system? To simply exchange the funds among the persons who have surplus of money and the persons who have deficit of money. So to exchange this fund, financial system is working, and to make this possible we have a financial institution, and the financial institutions are divided into two categories, that is banking institution and non-banking financial institution. So if we talk about financial institution, first you should know that whenever we talk about financial system, what does financial system means? Financial system simply means when you want to exchange the fund from the persons who have surplus money towards the persons who have deficit of money. Deficit of money. This exchange of funds is actually your financial system. And to perform this activity, we need the financial institution. To perform this activity, we need financial institution. One second. We need what? We need financial institutions. And how many types of financial institutions are there in the country? There are two types of financial institution we have. The first one is banking institution. The first one is banking institution. And the second one is non-banking financial institution. When it comes to the banking institution, under the banking institution, you will have RBI, and RBI will dividing these banking institution into two categories, that is the scheduled bank and the non-scheduled banks. Okay, these are the banking institution in our country. Further, they will be divided into commercial, non-commercial, etc. Now, if I talk about NBFI, these are the non-banking financial institutions. Now, non-banking financial institutions are categorized into three categories. That will be all India financial institution. Second, we have non-banking financial companies. Third, we have primary dealers. So, these are the non-banking financial institutions. Okay, so they all are working for the same objective, to exchange the fund among the persons who have surplus money and the persons who have deficit of money, right? Now, if I talk about where the development financial institution fit in this particular criteria, so development financial institutions comes under the All India Financial Institution. Okay, so all the DFIs will come under the AIFI, that will be helping us to develop the particular sector by providing the funding by focusing on a particular sector. Now, what about particular sector means? First of all, we have IFCI, we have SIDBI, we have Exim Bank. Apart from that, we have NABARD, we have NHB. So these are the development financial institution which we have right now, and they all are working for the different sectors, right? They all are working for different sector, like IFCI working for big industries, SIDBI working for small industries, Exim Bank working for the export import of the country, NABARD is working for the agriculture and rural development, and NHB is working for the housing sector, because they have been defined like this: Industrial Finance Corporation of India, Small Industries Development Bank of India, Export Import Bank, NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, and National Housing Bank. Okay, so these are the development financial institution. This is the first development financial institution established in 1948. Clear? Now if I talk about the latest one is established in 2021, and that is known as NABFID. Now what does NABFID works for? It works for to provide the finance for infrastructure development. National Bank for Financing Infrastructure Development, this is the NABFID. It started or introduced in 2021. This is the latest one. It was established with the capital of 1 lakh crore by Government of India. This is the latest one, and that's what the first one. Apart from that, ICICI Bank also started as a development financial institution. IDBI also started as a development financial institution. They have been converted to what? They have been converted to your commercial banking. So these are the development financial institution, and the basic we have discussed. Now let's move to the questions. And if you have any doubt now, you can ask in the comment section. I will be checking your comment and answering there. So let's start the first question you have. Do make sure you are counting how many questions you are answering correct, so that in the end of the session you will be able to let me know how many answers you have given correct. So the first question in front of you is this, that is talking about which of the following development financial institution had a role of counseling NRIs for their investment in India. NRIs are non-resident Indians. Non-resident Indians simply means the person or the citizen of India who are living outside the country for 182 days or more than that days. This is the NRI, non-resident Indians. Clear? Now, if I talk about development financial institution, this is simply the kind of institution that is providing counseling to the NRIs to invest in India. Now, which of the following is it? Is it IFCI, IDBI, ICICI or Exim Bank? If I talk about Exim Bank, it mainly works for export import. So it will not be counseling for the investment of NRIs. Second, IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India. This used to be the development financial institution. Now it is the commercial bank. In 2005, it was converted by RBI. IFCI works for the big industries. Now, the only bank that is working as a universal bank, not only bank working as a universal banking, but the bank who is counseling the NRIs for the investment in country, that is ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank actually introduced the universal banking concept in our country after the development financial institution. So what used to happen now, development financial institution was mainly working for the development of a particular sector, like we have seen already. NHB working for housing, NABARD working for ARD, etc. So this used to happen. This have been done by the ICICI Bank also. But after a while, it has introduced, after the liberalization, I can say, liberalization means to ease out the rules, regulations or restrictions from the particular thing. So that after the liberalization, 1991, ICICI Bank have introduced the more liberal way of working in the banking sector. That was the universal banking. And it means what? Under a single roof, you will be getting all kinds of services like deposit, withdrawal, lending, check clearance, demand draft, locker facility, your demat account, your mutual fund, everything is available under a single roof of a bank. That is known as universal banking. So here the right answer will be ICICI Bank. Option number C will be correct. Okay. Second question is asking about how much was the initial capital of IFCI. Do remember, this was the first development financial institution established in 1948. Okay. Now the initial capital was what? 10 crore, 25 crore, 50 crores or 100 crores. And the right answer here will be 10 crores. IFCI was established with the 10 crore initial capital, and this was the first development finance institution. The latest development financial institution is NABFID, and it was started with the 1 lakh crore initial capital. Do remember the latest one also. So right answer is A option. Okay. Now next question we have here. With the onset of liberalization, what structure was adopted by development finance institution? With the onset of liberalization, what structure was adopted by development financial institution? And you have these options: commercial banks, universal bank, mortgage banks, collateralized bank. So, liberalization means to ease out the regulations, the restrictions, the rules, etc. That's what the liberalization is. Okay, so now this is the liberalization. We wanted to ease out the restrictions. Hana, we have eased out the restriction. So after that, I have just told you ICICI Bank introduced the commercial bank structure. Okay, it was the commercial bank structure that was introduced by ICICI Bank. So right answer will be your B option, that is a universal bank. Next question is talking about which of the following would come under the category of investing institution. So development financial institutions are those institutions which are putting their money in development of a particular sector of the country. Now we are talking about investing institution. So these are the options in front of you: LIC, ICICI Bank, Exim Bank or NABARD. What do you think, which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D. So NABARD is development financial institution, Exim Bank is development financial institution, ICICI is a universal bank, investing institution is LIC, Life Insurance Corporation. So right answer will be your A, that is LIC will be the right option. Okay, so right answer will be what? LIC, option number A. Next question is talking about which was the first development finance institution was set up in India. That I have already told you. So out of IDBI, SIDBI, ICICI Bank or IFCI, which of the following bank is the first development financial institution? So IDBI was established in 1964. It used to be the development financial institution. It was converted in 2005 into the commercial bank, and it used to be the public sector bank, but now it is a private sector bank. Okay, from 2005 it used to be public sector, but what happened in 2019? It was purchased by LIC, so it became private sector bank. Okay, and the first development financial institution was IFCI. Okay, so right answer will be D option. Right answer is D. Next question is talking about which of the following is not a function of SIDBI. So SIDBI is a Small Industries Development Bank of India, which works for the development of small industries. It also manages, regulate and supervise the micro, small, medium enterprises. Okay, so there are certain statements in front of you. You have 5 statements. Out of that, you have to tell which of the following is not a function of SIDBI. First, it provides direct indirect finance to MSME sector. Okay. Second, it refinances loans that are extended by the primary lending institution like banks to the MSME units. Third, it discounts and rediscount bills. Fourth, it also helps in expanding marketing channel for the products of MSME sector, both in the domestic as well as international market. Fifth, it offers services like factoring, leasing, etc. to the industrial concern in the MSME sector. So it's very obvious it provides direct indirect finance to MSME, true. Second, it also provides refinance loan to the MSME units, true. It provides discount and rediscount bills, correct. It also helps to expand your marketing channels for the purchase of your MSME sector. This is also true. It provides factoring, leasing, both are true. So that means all are the functions of SIDBI. So the right answer will be none of the above, because all are the function. What is it? All are the functions of SIDBI. None of them is wrong. All are the functions of SIDBI. So the right answer will be your none. Okay, D option will be your right answer. Next question is talking about which of the following is correct definition of micro lending development. The correct definition of micro lending development, and you have these 4 statements. First is saying it is to create an institution and provide microfinancial services to the people who are economically weak. Second, it is to create the institution, provide microfinancial services to the people who are financially stable. Both are correct, none of the above. Achha, when we talk about micro lending development, I also get two words in my mind like microfinance and microcredit. So what is microfinance and microcredit? Both are same or different? If I talk about microfinance, finance means related to money and credit means loan, borrowing. So whenever you talk about microcredit, it means it provides you small loans. But when you talk about microfinance, it means a small savings, a small loan, a small investment, a small pension funds, a small insurance scheme, all will be covered there. So finance will cover everything related to money, but at a small level of services. But microcredit is only providing loan, but at the small level, so small amount of loan. So this is the difference between microfinance and microcredit. And here we are talking about micro lending development. So why micro lending development are providing a services that will provide loan to the people, that will provide finance services to the people? Not to the financially stable person, because they do not need such kind of help, but the economically weaker person or weaker society or the disadvantaged population will definitely need this kind of service. So the right answer will be A option. Right answer is A option. Next, which of the following are the objective of development finance institution? So we have options here. 5 statements are there. First is saying to serve as an agent of development in various sectors like industry, agriculture, international trade. Second, to accelerate the growth of economy. Third, to allocate the resource to high priority area. To foster rapid industrialization, particularly in the private sector, so as to provide employment opportunity as well as higher production. That is also true. Next, to foster public-private partnership. So these are the 5 statements. Out of this, you have to tell which of the following are or is the objective of development financial institution. So to serve agent of development in various sectors, this is true. They help actually to develop industries, agriculture, international trade. For international trade, we have Exim Bank. For agriculture, we have NABARD. For industries, we have SIDBI and IFCI. It actually accelerates the growth of the country. This is also true. They allocate resources to the priority areas. They foster rapid industrialization. That is also true. They foster public-private partnership. That is also true. So all are true in context to your objectives of development financial institution. So the right answer will be D option. Okay, right answer will be your all of the above. Next, D option. Next question is talking about which of the following is our development finance institution. So out of these options, what do you think which of the following is a development financial institution? So we have SIDBI, IFCI, SEBI, NAFID and all. Which of the following is correct? Achha, there's a little bit mistake in the question. 1 second, let me update this. So the question, let's say, is which of the following is not the development financial institution? Not the development financial institution. So you know SIDBI is development financial institution, IFCI is, NAFID is, but not the SEBI. So right answer will be SEBI. Okay, right answer will be SEBI. SEBI is not a development finance institution. So right answer will be your SEBI. Okay. Now next. National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development, that is the NAFID. It is regulated and supervised by which of the following? So we know that this is the latest one development financial institution. So it is regulated and supervised by whom? RBI, SEBI, AIFI or PFRDA. So you know RBI regulates the banking system, SEBI regulates the investment market, PFRDA regulates the pension fund. So all India financial institutions will be there to regulate the NABARD or supervise, sorry, not the NABARD but the NAFID. Okay, right answer will be C option. And this is the latest one established in 2021 and the initial capital was 1 lakh crore. Next. So this is the questions. These are the questions we have discussed about your development financial institution unit number 23 of module C of IEIFS, right? So this is how you can cover the questions here. But before that, I will let you know, first of all, you let me know how many answers you have given correct. Apart from that, one more important thing, Monday to Friday, you will find these kind of session. Monday to Friday at 7:30 AM, you will find IEIFS class. On Saturday, you will find your weekly revision class. Okay, and on Sunday, you will have a special session. And all these will be available only on Office Assistant 24/7 YouTube channel. And for that, you have to subscribe the channel first. Okay, but these are the sessions that will help you to practice the question, that will help you to revise or memorize your concept about a particular topic. They are not going to cover everything or every detail about your syllabus. So where to go and find a detailed explanation of all the chapter? For that, first of all, you have to download the application, because here you will get 1% additional discount. And after you download, now you will find such kind of interface on the application, and you will find JAIIB CIB here, so you can click on that and purchase your batch. So how to enroll? First of all, do download the application. After downloading the application, just go to the JAIIB CIB section. Now what you have to do, just go to the JAIIB CIB section. 1 second. So this is your website. I am showing you on website. You can simply go and check on what? On the application, because it will give you 1% additional discount. Okay, something is wrong right now. So I will let you know what you have to do. First, you have to go to the application, then go to the JAIIB CIB section. Okay, you go to the JAIIB CIB section, then go. You have JAIIB October 2023 tab. You will have what? You will have JAIIB October 2023 tab. Click on this. You will find all the batches detail. Apart from batches, you will also find Mahapack 2.0, and Mahapack 2.0 will cover everything: your live classes, your ebooks, your test series. Apart from that, you will get here the topic wise test series, a full length test series, mini marathon, Maha marathon. Everything will be available in the Mahapack. Apart from marathon, everything will be available in the batches. So you can go and visit that, and you can use the code that is KANA80. As you know, we are going to celebrate the Janmashtami festival. So right now the code is KANA80. You will get 80% discount here. But if you use the coins which are available on your application, you will get additional 1% discount. So total 81% discount will be available for all of you by using the application coins. Okay, and the code will be KANA80. And how to enroll, I have already explained you. So this is how you can enroll yourself. And if you find any kind of doubt at the time of enrolling, you will find the contact number on the same page where you are visiting the batch. Click on that particular number, call on that number. They will definitely going to help you if you find any kind of problem, right? So this is all for our session today. And every day, Monday to Friday, we are going to meet at 7 a.m. for PPB, 7:30 a.m. for Indian Economy and Financial System. So do not forget to join these sessions. Okay. Apart from that, do not forget to share the session. And if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section of this particular video. I will check your comment and answer there. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you all for joining the session, and take care.